This is the MIG 250dp multifunction welding machine. Use DC straight polarity for acidic electrodes. Insert the welding torch cable into the negative pole and the ground clamp into the positive pole, then tighten and fix. Connect to the power supply. Ensure the welding machine is reliably grounded, and turn on the power switch. Adjust the current to about 100A. Clamp the base metal with the ground clamp. Hold the electrode to strike an arc, scratching a tapping. Move the electrode for welding, fill the crater, extinguish the arc and clean the slag. Quickly plug the ground clamp into the positive pole and tighten by rotating. Check if the wire spool shaft rotates smoothly. Install the welding wire. Minimize the angle between wire outgoing and incoming, and adjust the wire feeder pressure. Connect the welding torch to the negative pole and tighten. Remove the contact tip. Press the welding torch switch to feed the wire. Then install the contact tip, a flow divider or protective cover. Connect to the power supply and turn on the switch. Adjust the slow wire feed. Preset a crater fill current and voltage values. Clamp the waste plate with the ground clamp and perform a test weld to adjust to the optimal parameters. Swing the welding torch to optimize the weld formation. Release the welding torch switch to complete the welding. Remove weld slag and spatter. Install the gas gauge on the gas cylinder. Connect the heating plug to the corresponding voltage. Fasten the gas pipe with a hose clamp and open the gas valve. Quickly plug the ground clamp into the negative pole and tighten by rotating. Verify that the wire feed wheel and contact tip match the wire diameter. V-shaped wheel for carbon steel wire, U-shaped wheel for aluminum wire. Install the welding torch and tighten. Remove the contact tip. Press the welding torch switch to feed the wire. Install the contact tip, a flow divider, protective cover, and test the gas flow rate, 10 to 15 liters per minute. Connect to the power supply and turn on the switch. Adjust the slow wire feed. Preset a crater fill current and voltage. Adjust corresponding parameters for pulse MIG. Clamp the waste plate with the ground clamp and perform a test weld to adjust to the optimal parameters. Swing the welding torch to optimize the weld formation. Release the welding torch switch and leave after the shielding gas runs for 2 to 5 seconds. Install the gas gauge on the gas cylinder. Connect the gas pipe to the welding machine's air inlet and lock it. Then open the argon cylinder valve. Quickly plug the ground clamp into the positive pole and tighten by rotating. Install the welding torch accessories in sequence: connector, tungsten electrode holder, tungsten electrode, ceramic nozzle or torch tail. Insert the welding torch into the negative pole of the welding machine and tighten. Clamp the workpiece to be welded with the ground clamp. Open the welding torch gas valve and check the argon flow rate, 8 to 15 liters per minute. Adjust the process parameters on the welding machine panel. Swing the welding torch with a short arc length 1 to 3 millimeters, to optimize the weld formation. Lift the welding torch to extinguish the arc, and retract the torch after the gas delay is completed.